Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidre. Jamaica's 57th Independence Day Grand Gala celebration took place last evening at the National Stadium. The cultural showcase featured presentations in the form of music, drama, song and dance by costumed and ununiformed groups and festival song winners. During the event, reggae artist Rita Marley was given a citation for a contribution to reggae music, which was presented by the President of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta.
It gives me great pleasure to present you with this citation. You have been an icon of music in your own right, and you have been a part of music history with Bob and touched millions and millions of lives.
Tribute was also paid to Rita by member of the reggae group I3's Jimmy Mowat, who performed hits from the group as well as from Bob Marley. Reggae artist Sizzla was also honored by the Jamaican government as a reggae icon for his contribution to the development of reggae music.
I'm most honored and most thankful to receive such an award from such noble nature and people and beautiful government in the Western Hemisphere.
His grand entrance featured over 100 bikers, which had the patrons in a frenzy at the National Stadium. He also graced the stage and performed a few of his hit tracks.
Black international repatriation, yeah. Why does it have to be this way? Can't tell you go, can't tell you to stay. What do you say? Just when I know. Central. Thank you very much.
The night also included performances from Minister Marion Hall, the King of Dancehall, Beanie Man, Sister Pat, and the rising teen sensation Coffee.
Grand Gala come here with a force, yeah. Listen to the reap and we course, you know. A Grand Gala and a riser. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be. Yeah. Blessings all for us. We thank God for the journey to earn it.
The Grand Gala celebration closed off Jamaica's 57th Independence celebrations.
If you enjoyed coffee, can I get a wow? Give me another wow.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidre. Thank you so much for watching.